Hey yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a tiler professional. I have been for 35 years. This is what I'm doing at the moment. It's a small laundry, which is a carry-on from this toilet that I'm doing. I've got to do up there yet. Can you see that? Up. And the bathroom. So that's cool. I'll have this pumped out this afternoon, and then I can do a good clean up, and it's all ready for grouting. Now, the reason why I've done like this is going to be a full tile, which I haven't cut the tile for those pipes yet. This is a full tile, so then now I only cut once, so I go up that wall, full tile, up here full tile, and only cut that once instead of cutting into the wall, and then I'd have to cut this tile as well. But doing it this way, I'm only cutting once, if you dig what I mean. That off cut might even be all right for there. Yeah, that's cool. Always try it first before you put your glue on. Home and hose. I've got to cut the bottom yet, because this floor slopes slightly. Just a little tittle. And there you have it. I'll come back to you shortly. So I'll be going up 3 or 4 tiles, and the same up there, and then I'll be cutting my cuts. You never do it like that and then walk away for the day, because you may have to do a little bit of adjusting. So you always fill in before you knock off. See ya, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Poke the bell. See ya, bye. Hey yo, it's Chriso. How you going? I'm just shooting up this aluminium now, or this brass or brass coated aluminium. Hope everyone's having a good day. I am. It's brilliant. I hope you're all happy and healthy. Everyone. For the DIYs, and the professionals, how you doing? I like it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you would. I'll do one more so the video is not too long. I don't want you to get bored. Because it doesn't change. I do the same thing all the way up. So one more will do. Everyone. Whoop, 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 whoop. Clip it into place. Throw a couple more clips in there. Throw some wedges in. You're always checking for, you know, that it's nice and flush. And you're home and hose. Okay guys, give us a thumbs up if you would. Poke that subscribe button. See ya. Bye.